Today we are on our way for a this or that episode with Hoonigan. They called me out with my twin Turbo C8 Corvette, so I don't know what I'm racing today. We're headed there. It is absolutely beautiful out here. Phoenix is already at the airstrip, so we should be there in about 10 minutes. Are we going the right way?
I hope so. Oh, cows. Wait, what? It literally is telling me.
Move! Well, there's tires there.
If we're trespassing, that would be bad. We can't not be in the right spot. It's literally telling me.
All the cows are looking at us.
What is going on?
We are not in the right place.
Oh, wait, look.
Oh, I see something. Where the fuck is my car? Wait, explain what's happening right now?
Can you just hit the damn unlock button?
Sean's towing the C8 right now and the alarm's going off because it thinks it's being stolen. There we go.
The whole shoot's filming and there's just your fucking Corvette in the background on a trailer going off.
What's up with this girl? You about to go smoke this thing or what?
Yeah, I don't know who I'm running against, but maybe whatever's in there.
Yeah, you might be racing a Banshee.
That'd be fucking amazing.
Hey, racing a Banshee?
Yeah, it's gonna smoke the shit out of her.
That car looks good. How much time you got on her?
Yeah, a little bit.
She's like, dude, you realize if I get sideways and go in your lane, you're dead, homie. Like, psych them out with some shit like that, you know?
Yeah, that'll be in my advantage, is just make them fucking petrified to line up with me.
Hey, this is life or death, dude. Watch this out.
Sign up for this shit. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog and thank you for tuning in. Today we are doing a shoot with Hoonigan for this or that. We have some pretty sick cars here today, like Blake Wilkie. We gotta wipe her down. We also gotta top her off with gas. We'll get some beauty shots, and then I think we're gonna talk about the car and then do some racing.
You know, you could just put pump gas in it too.
Yeah, that's so fun.
I mean, it's a lot cheaper.
No, this is race car tings. I'm gonna put this whole thing in there. How many times do you shake it?
2 shakes.
Anything more than that's jacking off?
That's not making the cut.
Oh, that's so making the cut. I want to take a moment to thank today's sponsor and amazing game, Raid Shadow Legends. Raid is a turn-based RPG game that is free to play and available on both mobile and PC. There are over 500 different champions to collect, ranging from common to legendary, and over the course of 2 years, Raid has had some tremendous growth. With over 2 billion battles and their massive community of players, there is no short of fun to be had. But let's not forget how much I really like summoning champions through the portal, because it's kind of like buying a used motor. You never really know what you're going to get. Myself and Raid want to thank you for coming on this gaming journey full of fun, friendly competition, and nothing but good times. This month, they are releasing a new batch of epic and legendary champions, as well as their second version of the Doom Tower, which means new rewards and new gear to win to customized champions. There has never been a better time to start playing. Come join Raid with me for year 3. All you have to do is hit the link in the description or scan my QR code and you'll get your free epic champion Jotun. 100,000 silver, 50 gems, and 3 ancient shards so you can summon awesome champions as soon as you get in the game. Click the link in the description below or scan my QR code. All this treasure will be waiting for you here. I'll see you guys out there.
Some shady shit right there. You actually have a useful thing now instead of that stupid funnel that didn't actually fit in there.
I literally put a socket end through a funnel.
It is probably the most awkward position I've ever seen anyone pull down.
Is that better?
There we go. Now it's more natural. It just flows, you know?
So this is what I'm running against.
I guess. I'm actually should be scared about your car.
I don't know, man. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know shit about these.
Okay.
And I'm slightly petrified. Walk me through this.
It's a 2002 Yamaha Banshee.
front suspension's all stock besides the shocks. I got Marvin shocks all the way around. Got a +4 swing arm. Motor is a 421cc. The gearing,
Look at
I
these.
literally just set the gearings on. Hopefully I get a good mile per hour.
How many gears are there?
It's 1 through 5.
Okay.
So as soon as I let the clutch go, I'm just shifting it. No letting off, no popping clutch. It just sequential the whole way. I haven't done a quarter mile yet. I've done a 660 and it's like around 8 seconds.
I think this is gonna take my C8. I really do.
But you realize if she gets squirrely and comes into you, you're dead.
Yeah, that's
keep that
my
in
fear.
mind.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah,
my
so you
fear.
should stay back.
Yeah, you should
Yeah, let me take the lead on this one. You said it's 96 horsepower?
96 horsepower.
I'm excited to run against it. I'm still nervous.
I'm nervous too. I mean, honestly, I wish I would have had enough time. I would have finished that front one. That's 150 horse.
Big old jugs on her.
Wow.
Even the rear.
So this is strictly straight line.
Yeah.
This will honestly be a pretty good lineup. He's talking about the build ground up, probably costs around $19,000. This will be fun. We're done with the beauty shots. We're gonna head down right now and start getting prepared for this or that. That Banshee looks nuts, you guys. I don't know a whole lot about Banshees, but when I hear 96 horsepower and like 600 pounds, I get worried.
Bro, I didn't know that's what she was racing.
All right, we're at the airstrip. There's the strip right there. Whee! Oh, police dragster. Oh, that thing's sick. That thing's sick. What's up, Danger Dan? Good to see ya.
You too.
Who do you think's gonna take it? Do you think the Banshee or do you think the Vet?
I think you'll get them on the top end.
That's what I think. I feel like out the gate, it's just gonna be a game of who can actually get traction.
I don't know. This surface is weird. Also, it's muddy.
Oh, that's fun.
So, yeah. So,
leave it to Hoonigan to add some wow factor in the race, right?
yeah, I mean, that's the fun part of it,
Yeah.
right?
So we just did the full interview with the Hoonigan guys, walking around the Banshee that I'll be racing, as well as my C8 and everything that's been done to it. If you guys want to see that, I'll put the link up here in the info thing. Otherwise, go over to Hoonigan's YouTube channel, make sure you check out that video, and drop a few positive comments for me. But I'm gonna suit up right now. I don't have to wear a suit, but I'm going to just for safety reasons.
Great things never came easy, honey.
I know. There's a half-second delay in shifting for second gear. Let the producers decide if they want me to run it or take 15 minutes and pull a degree of timing out of it. They said just run it, so
Let's run it.
let's see what happens, because if I gap him anyways, I don't even need to be worried about the extra.
That last one looked good. I adjusted the MAF cal in Pites' controller because she is not the happiest girl in the world today, but I feel like we could take the Banshee off the line as long as we have the tuning right, but we don't have all day just to dick with this, so I turned it down a little bit. It might be just too aggressive for the boost we're running.
How you feeling about the race?
She's definitely faster.
She is. She's faster.
But it's not, it's kind of crazy because like that thing's cool as shit. She's faster, but her car's not even happy right now, which is gnarly to think about. He's got fucking cojones bigger than that car.
A good sport. He is awesome. I feel bad because I'm such a competitive person. I'm just like, give me the laptop, let's go. We're pulling timing out, we're doing this, there's a boosting, blah, blah, blah. The Hoonigan guys have actually asked me to stay a little bit longer. They want me to run against a Taycan. All-wheel drive, I think those are like 650 horsepower, so it'd be a pretty good matchup. He's definitely gonna take me off the line with the 1-2 issue I'm having, but let's see if we can pull him in third and fourth.
Fastest car in the world, baby. We just got the car dialed, so she's finally working. The guy with the Banshee is actually staying, so he's down to line it up again, because I'm just curious to see genuinely like how that race would be if the car could actually shift.
They were like, she should have smoked me. We want to see the car run. Like, it looks so fast, you know?
The Banshee guys?
Yeah,
That's
they're so nice.
sweet of them,
Yeah. They're staying because they want to see you, like,
That's so
see your
rad.
car work.
I was so bummed earlier today too, because like you guys gotta imagine, like I spent a year getting this car dialed and really building it 18 plus hours and getting the world's fastest, and finally she's dialed and running great, and I show up here and she's not shifting.
And now
We're
you're
good
taking
now.
on an all-wheel drive electric car in a very short race with cold tires on a cold track.
Seems safe.
Yeah.
At the end.
Oh, I was, yeah. He got the jump off the line.
He did, yeah.
Pretty quick.
So do you want to do the same race? You want to go to 1500?
No, let's do 15.
Okay.
Too bad you can't buy a faster car.
Well, I'm stuck. I haven't modded mine yet. Wait till I mod mine. That's a good race.
I want to do 1500, but I want to get the hit.
Okay.
You cool with that?
So once he goes, I go.
Yeah, I mean, the second you see his car move, you move too.
No, she's going to come around me.
That was good. I think she got him on the top end. That's what it looks like from here, at least.
That was good. Honestly,
Yeah.
it's good. It's time.
So you guys have to negotiate the last race.
So, at 1,000 foot.
That works.
Okay, cool.
Cool, let's try that.
Yeah, that's such a good deal.
For God's sakes.
I think it's a photo finish.
Yeah, it's a photo finish.
So the original plan was not for me to stay for another race. I stayed because we got the tune right. I think we broke the flywheel again. It's a stock flywheel. I'm hearing chattering, and the 1-2 shift, like more and more each time I shift, the car's not really doing it. So we might need to figure out a solution for an aftermarket flywheel. If not, we're just gonna keep having to drop the engine and transfer a stock one. But end up racing this guy. We each tried to jump each other, but he got the jump on me, and it is down to a photo finish.
Oh, see you guys think.
Oh, back it up. Too much, too much.
It's so hard to.
So close.
Look at the stress. Look at the stress.
Dude, I never had this much anxiety, for real.
God. Oh my God.
It's photo finish, right? We got to
I don't know.
I think Amelia got him.
I think she got me. I'll give it to her. But I'm still stock, and she's modified as fuck, so
I'll
that's cool.
give you that.
I mean, to me, it's pretty clear in this video.
That looks pretty good. Like that you got it.
You can see you pass them, and then you see the flag. And that's the first flag. And pass
Oh
the
yeah, I got that for sure. I almost went home too because the car wasn't running right. I'm glad I stayed.
So sick. We're great.
All right, the sun is setting. They're still filming, but got her on the trailer. Take a look at these filters, man. You ready for this? Look at that. This shit needs to be cleaned. Man, I just wish that I was able to get the car running and driving as good as it was the second time for the Banshee run, because we were so close that I think I would have taken it. But at the end of the day, that thing's quick. Overall, solid day. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and this just inspired me to build bigger and badder shit. So I hope y'all ready for 2021. Also, a huge thank you and shout out to Hoonigan for having me today. Ecrew, we out here with love. Bye. We just have to go about a quarter mile. Did not strap her down, but we do have the parking brake on. I'm sitting in here and we're gonna go really slow, so everything should be okay. Oh my God, this is so sketchy. Go slower!